Hello and welcome to this video showing the Stock Valuation Report in Business Cloud Essentials. Use the Stock Valuation Report for instant visibility of stock item levels, as well as the value of stock based on a variety of metrics. The filters at the top of the page are designed for more flexible reporting. The At Date field allows the user to see stock value at the time the report is generated, but also a specified date in the past or future. You can also filter by stock item, stock location, and even group the report by stock location. Let's have a look at one of our individual stock items. Business Cloud Essentials is extremely malleable when it comes to calculating stock valuation. You can measure stock value by material cost, subcontract cost, labour cost, unit cost, an amalgamation of material, subcontract and labour costs, unit sales value, and the lower of unit cost and sales value. That concludes our video on the Stock Valuation Report in Business Cloud Essentials. If you'd like to find out more, please don't hesitate to get in contact.